Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B coming back at you with yet another video. We are absolutely throwing these videos out in this holiday period of 2019 just because we had such a backlog of the last few months and we wanted to just get everything out. However, I'm going to call it my festive 2019 shoe. It's not really a festive shoe, but it's festive to me. SJ on Sneaker Cam over here, she did surprise me with these. These are a Dunk Low Pro. They're a standard GR, which is why they're in the teal box. These might be one of the last teal boxes of the Nike SB era, maybe. We'll see. There are rumours that there will be purple boxes in 2020 for GRs, but we'll see, So what have we got here? We've got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, so we all know I like that. They are Jade Horizon Pale Ivory. Okay, I didn't realise that when I looked at them. They're a UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5, and the code is BQ6817300. I'm going to have to try one of these Nike SB QR codes just to see what happens. I haven't actually done it yet. Should get the old camera app out and go and see what happens. As I said, SJ bought me these. I didn't know she was getting me them. I think they've been out a while in the US. They are a GR. In the UK, I hadn't seen them out anywhere. I did see Flatspot put out a Instagram story on, I think it was Christmas Eve. Anyway, I've seen these. This is ridiculous. I know what these are. I've seen them. I look down and they still make me smile because there's such a lovely colour. Right, so let's get them out. Let's get them out. Girl, you did real good with these. Right, have a look at them. Have a look at them. We're going to get rid of the box. Now, in fact, let's take the other shoe. You can have a look at the shoe there. I'm going to look at this shoe. The first thing I want to say, so they're a Dunk Low Pro, as I say. So you get quite a nice fat tongue. In fact, you have a look at that there, camera too. In fact, we turned this light down just so, because we'd seen in a couple of videos that you couldn't really see the colour. So we've turned it down and just look at that. Now we all know it's a dunk, but what I really like about this is you've got this ivory. I think it's, I read the box about two minutes ago, less than, and I've forgotten the colour. One at times, my brain. Yeah, pale ivory. I was right. So you've got the swoosh that's a pale ivory in this suede, and then you've got this Jade Horizon colour. Got SJ nodding at me. Yeah, Jade Horizon. You said that 2 minutes ago as well. You've also got have a look. You've got a gum sole, and you've got obviously the white bit there. So SJ, standard dunk, lovely, lovely Jade Horizon on the laces as well. I think the laces really work actually. There you go, look at that. Suede is SB suede, I'd say, but it has enough of a nap that if I do this, and you see that? Is that coming across in your camera? If you see that, then yeah. We haven't done the Nike test. I swear they're different sizes. Right, before I show SJ, right, you have a look at them. There you go. Now, I swear those Nikes on the back there are different sizes. Have a look yourself, SJ. What do you think? Ever so slightly?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I will also say, everyone, if we have a look here, white laces, I don't think I'm going to do a lace swap. I like the original laces. I really do. Nothing fancy on the sole, but that's a solid colourway. And the Nike SB does do some great GRs. You know, if you're just getting into shoes and you want some nice shoes, you can't beat SB GRs. They just really, I don't know, they put a bit of, it feels like they put a little bit of effort into thinking about the actual colours, would you say? I think so. And as somebody pointed out, I do tend to say Nike, and we'll talk about this on Sneaker Streaming Sundays, is 8 PM UK time, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. In the UK, people tend to say Nike. And I've been thinking about this, because technically it's Nike, actually it should be pronounced in entirely the other way, apparently. But when, what's his face, the old shoe dog, got somebody to pronounce it for him, they pronounced it a certain way, which was closer to Nike. I've been thinking about this. And I think the UK say Nike because we never heard anybody actually say Nike. I've really been thinking about this. If you just see it written down, you would think it would say Nike, like bike. But it is Nike. It's just something that I've been thinking about. So somebody left us a comment. I was like, I do tend to say Nike, but that's because when people in the US, it's a US company, say Nike. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, it's somewhere down here. If you want to give us a thumbs up for this video, that'd be cool. If you want to give us a thumbs down, that'd be also all right. Don't forget to leave us a comment. Did you pick these up? What is your favourite GR so far? Or not so far? Or what was your favourite GR of 2019? Do you tend to pick them up, or do you just go for the hype shoes? I know lots of people that we chat with tend to go for GRs just as much as the hype, but some people are just into shoes with a greater story. There's not a lot of story behind this, but it's a lovely, lovely shoe. So one more time before we go, have a look at that bad boy. It is very nice. Fill in the frame there, actually. I don't know, maybe we'll go over there. Fill in the frame for you. Yeah, look at that. Filling the frame for you. I just want to say, I'm out of here. We'll disappear now. So I'll see you later, people. Bye. Of course, if you're still here, we're on the end frame. Don't forget to check out one of those videos just there. Genuinely, there'll be something interesting there because YouTube knows stuff. So just there. Anyway, I'll see you later, folks. Bye.